Alright guys, so we're getting ready to tune this Dyna S. We'll be doing a tune with the Power Vision Trask Assault 2-in-1 exhaust, S&S air cleaner. It's about the only upgrades for now. So let me get started and I'll show you guys end results. Alright guys, so we just finished tuning Rudy's motorcycle, and as you can tell by the sound of the sound video, it even has a little bit of a gallop. It didn't have the gallop when we first originally started, but the AFRs were all over the place. So we tuned this using a Power Vision, and this is basically a download base map from Fuel Moto, and this is one of the reasons why we always say it's always best to get it dynoed. The Fuel Moto or anybody out there with the base maps, it's just enough for you to get the bike going. So then we ended up doing the tune, and we ended up with 91.79 horses. You can see horsepower all the way from the bottom all the way across. Now right there, those little ups and downs and valleys, that had a little bit to do with probably the belt, tire, maybe a little bit of clutches. But you can see how the AFR is cleaned up really nice too. That's why we say it's very important to get this thing's dyno tuned to where you get the best performance. And also now your AFR's air fuel ratio is nice and correct down low, so you're gonna get a lot more throttle response. So there we go, pretty happy with that. I also wanted to show you guys, I normally like to do this on most of the bikes that we tuned. Basically, on this bike, you can see that's the horsepower right there that the motorcycle used. 69.36 horsepower is what the motorcycle used. Basically simulated like if I'm starting off and getting on the ramp to get on the freeway, the motorcycle used 69.36 horses. So this way you guys know that even though this thing made over 90 horses, you typically used 69 horses to get on the highway and got it up to about 110 miles an hour. So that's mostly where you guys ride, and there's where you feel most of the power and torque. So we're pretty happy with the results. Once again guys, I pretty appreciate it. We've got more videos coming soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned.